advice make my babe break up with you. They okay. Are you okay?
SK. After all the advice I'm giving to this boy, after everything I don't do for this boy, he still look down on me, SK.
Yeah, I'm not so.
Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Welcome to Nigeria.
Thank
you
you.
Understand? You are welcome to Nigeria. So you really can't pour spit on my face at this point of a time.
That's the thing you understand. What is that?
Auntie Shaxxy, you're my brother SK. I don't know the funny. So, these people online say, you can, like, for example, now, if I'm to be in a relationship, which means my work, because when you how it itself for relationship, I will put them an agenda. Even for now, and forever. Well, how about relationship? Well, let's get him by that way. Get me by because what when I got after that time. So I'm not gonna this relationship not too much, this online relationship. Well, I'm not gonna go this SK. I'm with the celebrity, Shaxxy, I'm with a celebrity, I don't know. But for her has a celebrity. Ile Branjota ha Sabinu Sawa and all this our big content creator comedian or skit maker in Nigeria now. Ile hanya now that's hardly very reasonable because when come to Branjota now or you more there or you go shout machine I gonna cut up online now by post to and this is the love of my life for you now and forever. Shaxxy na it's gonna come you. SK, you a very matured guy, you're very matured, but man, I don't know for you. He make go to hear go to Shaxxy make online. I don't know all the game man so bad, all the game so bad, must go. But for my other support to make us so no make a nonsense. He's tall, he's a virgin. you a virgin, Shaxxy, you a virgin. Who not touch. Oh, I want much more the child like this sometimes even if you chat some questions game say mask am there don't worry much I'm all lamba aka ambassador the bottle water we keep follow get like him share column video. Thank you.